Today I'm going to show you a great free live TV add-on for Kodi. So let's get started. So first we go to the toggle here and we go to File Manager. You do Add Source. Click on Add Source, and in here we type https repo.redwizard.xyz. So that's repo.redwizard.xyz. Click OK. Give it a name. In this case we're going to call it red. And you click OK again. You can check inside if you like to see if there is any information. That means the information you've just entered is correct. Then we go back to our add-ons section and click on this toggle here, and now we're going to install from zip file. So install from zip file, go down to the one you created called red, and in here you're going to install repository red wizard, and regardless of the number, because the number will change. Now that you see the red repository has been installed, now you stay on the same window and you go on to install from repository, and you choose the one that says the red repo. So we'll click inside the red repo, you go down to video add-ons, and the one you want, the best one I've found, is this one here. It's called TV1111 red box. So we'll click on this and click install. That's it. It says add-on installed. So now you go press back button, you go back to your installs, add-ons, and there you go, you have it, TV1111. This is a great add-on that's going to allow you to watch quite a few live TV channels from different countries, including UK, US, Pakistan, India, South India, and so on. Most of the links seem to be working great, so enjoy.